I'll guide you through the complete process to enable two-factor authentication on your Apple ID, so you stop relying on easily guessed security questions. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Before we see how it's done on iPhone, here's how to enable 2FA on a Mac. Click the Apple menu and choose System Settings. Click your name in the sidebar to reveal your Apple ID profile. Click Sign In and Security. Click the arrow next to two-factor authentication to access the menu. On the prompt, add a trusted phone number where you can receive verification codes via text message or phone call. Click Done to finish the setup. Or, if you want stronger security, set security keys to avoid unauthorized access to your account. Enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your phone to complete the final verification. After that, every time you sign into your Apple ID on a new device or browser, you'll need both your Apple ID password and the 6-digit verification code. Now, let's see how to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your iPhone or iPad. Get your iPhone and open the Settings app. Tap your name at the very top of the screen. Tap Sign In and Security. Tap Two-Factor Authentication. Tap Edit next to Trusted Phone Numbers. Tap Add a Trusted Phone Number. Enter your iPhone passcode or biometric and tap Done. Type the new phone number. Choose to verify using a text message or phone call, and tap Continue. Enter the one-time code you received to confirm 2FA is now active. To prevent lockouts, go back to your Sign In and Security settings. Tap Edit next to your trusted phone number and add a secondary number. This prevents a total lockout if you lose your main phone. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more Apple video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.